Hey guys, so look what I just looked outside. It is snowing for the third time. Snow showers. So what's going on? Just wanted to get on here very quick before the video starts that I know I made a video last time saying we changed our name, so Samuel is not happy with the new name, so we did come up with a name. We put our heads together and we came up with Livingston Life. So that's going to be the new name. I'm not going to change it anymore, but our used to be channel is Living with the Livingstons, but this time we changed it, so it's now Livingston Life. I'm starting everything brand new, so it's a whole new year later. Everything's new, so, and it's not going to change, so stay tuned for that and stay tuned for everything coming out. I changed it on all social medias that I have, but hopefully you like it, and on to the video. All right, see you guys. Wow. They're not gonna stick. Just snow showers for the third time. Look at this. This looks like a big blizzard. Oh my gosh. These ducks and everything don't like it. It's really coming down. It's laying over there and it's really, really cold. Oh my gosh. Look. The geese don't like it. I mean, look at this for the third time in Virginia. We're definitely getting our snow. Wow. Ooh. Crazy. Ooh. Alright, well, I'm gonna go in and get drenched with the snow. But it looks, oh look, the ducks and the geese. I mean, look at it. It's really coming down. Look, there's the geese. Yeah, the geese are like, no way. There they go. They're like, what is this stuff again? Wow. Fiona, we're gonna go see the snow for the third time. You ready? Very quickly. Come on. It's the third time. It's right here. And these geese are not happy at all. So yep, snowing for the third time. You see, it's laying. It was supposed to come a little bit later, but I guess we're getting hit pretty good. It's all water. It's not gonna stick. It's freezing out here. Alright, well, I'm gonna go bring the dogs in because it's super cold. I had to go throw a couple layers on. Alright, it's coming down. Snow, Samuel's missing it, but I'll be able to have it for him. Alright, Fiona Bagel, you ready? You ready? Alright. I don't blame you. It's snow for the third time. I'm gonna do some cleaning, and so while it's snowing for a little bit, it's about 10:30, and I'm gonna go out there in about 20 minutes because I'm looking at my phone, and it says it stops at 12 noon, between 11:30 12 noon. So I just wanted to get it before it stops because we're from Arizona and we don't get this kind of weather. We get like 100-degree weather, 80-degree weather. So this is snow for the third time when we really wanted snow. So I wanted it to stick, but again, Samuel's in school right now, and I've never driven in snow, so I kind of don't want it to kind of stick. Anyway, all right, well, I'm gonna do some cleaning and get some stuff done in the house because I don't want to be outside. Laundry's done. So it's about 11:20. I didn't put my big jacket on, but I'm not gonna stay out here too long. But the snow has stopped, so it's no more snow or snow showers. It completely stopped, and if you can see, it's already melting. It's already like melting, but not. So that's what it. And this is gonna melt too. But the snow has, or the snow shower, I should say, stopped. But, alright, well, I've got a few more things to do in the house, but nope, the snow stopped. Alright, and this is the third snow. Well, actually, I wouldn't call this snow, but if you look at it, it's the third snow in Virginia since we got here in July. So we came from Arizona, and this is different weather. Like I said, we got 80-degree weather and 100-degree weather, and then this is the wind, the coldness, the snow. And right now I'm freezing, so I'm gonna go inside, but it's different from Arizona. All right, well, I'm gonna go back to cleaning, and I'm gonna say bye, Snow, because I won't see you. Bye, Snow. This is what I'm doing, making pancakes for lunch.
Yay!
So this is gonna be a good snack before or after school.
Yep.
And so I had to, you can't tell about the smoke, but this window is like not opening from the top, from the bottom, so I had to open it from the top because with this house, it's not good ventilation, and I'm gonna put the fan on before I'm gonna put the fan on before the fire alarm goes off. But anyway, pancakes. Here.
Alright, so since it's kind of in tune now, I can't really do it now.
Okay, so
let's say if my
you're gonna check it. Oh my goodness. Okay.
like, let's say if it was out of tune like this.
Okay, well, just let's be very careful. You're just checking. Let's tune in this Violin. Is it tuned?
Oh, there we go.
Okay, good.
Alright, that's good.
Good. So Samuel just tuned his
After untuning.
after untuning it. Oh my goodness, you scared me. So I think I'm gonna close the vlog now. I just Samuel's doing his homework, and we're just Jason's on his way back from work. He had a long day, but there's not too much going on right now. So I'm gonna try to upload the video, and then I'm gonna try and make another video separate for using that remover for my hair. And I can't wait to see my brown hair. I mean, I see it a little bit, but I can't wait to see if it works, because it's red. I love red, but I just wanna see if that remover works. But alright, well, hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Just hit see, I'm not used to saying this at the end because YouTube changed it up on me. So, but anyway, hopefully you guys enjoy the video and give it a thumbs up. See my thumb. And subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. See you guys.